Good evening, my friend. This time I will show you the enhancement kit of Kublai G19, including slide, inner and outer barrel, recoil roll, front and rear side. These parts are basically made of aluminum, but the outer barrel, front and rear side are made of steel. The slide is number 6 series aluminum reinforced by steel, so the service life is guaranteed. There is a hole in the rear of the recoil roll to match the special hop chamber. The steel hammer moves smoothly with almost no tolerance. Steel sides with luminous function. Ordinary recoil rolls are easy to get stuck during operation due to design problems, mainly because the ring can't be fixed in the center of the recoil roll. The optimized roll is fixed forth and back to lock the ring and the center of the recoil roll, making the slide operate more smoothly. The steel barrel has a high degree of reduction, and the bottom is clenched to make the special hop chamber to sink when returning. Active sinking is outer barrel descended actively during returning rather than being compressed by slide. The advantage of this is that it reduces the resistance during returning and makes the slide operate more smoothly. The hop chamber in this case is made of number 7 aluminum, but the original one is made of zinc alloy. I also have an early version. The slide is very sluggish to use and workmanship is relatively rough. If you like it, I highly recommend you buy all of them because these parts alone are not very effective singly. By the way, this price of this kit is 1,300 Hong Kong dollars. At this price, you can even buy a slide made of steel in Hong Kong. I'm sorry, I don't know what the mainland attitude towards steel part. Whether it's worth buying depends on your pocket.